Okay, so let's do one more example. So we're going to go from y equals mx plus b form. So let's say we have y equals negative 1/2 x plus negative 4. Okay, so we've got y equals mx plus b form. We want to change it to the standard form, right, where the x and the y are together. So again, you just want this x with this y. So all you have to do is get this x over there. How do we do that? Well, we get rid of it, right? So we add a positive 1/2 x, and then we do that on the other side to keep everything balanced. So we add a positive 1/2 x over here, and now they're together. It's as simple as that. You can't add the x to the y because they're different variables, and you can't add them if they're not like terms. So you just bring down the 1/2 x, and you bring down this positive y, and then on this side of the equation, all you have is a negative 4. Now again, this is perfect for me. This is all you need for me for this year. For next year, one more little tip. You don't want to leave your a value, or the number with the x, you don't want to leave it in a fraction. So they don't like negatives and they don't like fractions. All you do to get rid of a fraction is basically just multiply by the denominator. So the denominator is a 2. So if I distribute and I multiply this whole equation by a 2, right? So 2 times 1/2 x is 1x. And then 2 times 1y, because remember there's a 1y. So 2 times 1y is 2y. And then 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So technically, this is the answer that they would want. For me, I am fine with the 1/2 x plus y equals negative 4. Okay, for our purposes, that will get you where you need to go. But again, next year, they don't like fractions. Okay, so they didn't like negatives in the a value, and they didn't like fractions in the a value. Okay, and again, the a value is just the number that's with the x. Okay,